So this one appears to have a more matte finished. Just come on, motorcycle man. Park your bike and go in the house. Y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where Faith and Fashion connects, and I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Just click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. So I don't even know what to say about this one, y'all. So I don't even know where y'all will see this video. And I recently made a video for my entire Marc Jacobs collection. That video, out of all of my collection videos, has the least amount of items, but somehow it became the longest video just because girl was rambling. And so this item, I was like, should I add it to that video or should I give it its own video? What I'll probably do is do a little bit of both. So I was very strong, y'all. I was very strong. Black Friday, I was very strong because I had already treated myself multiple times prior to Black Friday. Okay, so I said I was gonna be strong. And then Cyber Monday came, y'all. And the same text message that alerted me about the quilted puffy diamond J bag that I received, the video was already posted on my channel. Thumbnail, what is it? Thumbnail, card, link will be in the description. I got another text from Marc Jacobs like, hey girl, listen. We know your habits at this point. You might enjoy this item as well. And not only will you enjoy this item, but girl, look at the price. It's 50% off. When I saw it originally, I thought it was actually the white version of the quilted diamond J bag. And then I looked at it again and I was just like, wait, this is a different bag. Girl, look at the name of the bag. It's a slightly different bag. So I was like, well, why don't we get it and see how we feel about it? If we like it, she'll be added to the collection. She'll also somehow be added to the collection video. If we're not feeling her, she'll have her own video and then we'll just ship her back. Without further ado, if you are interested, well, y'all see the thumbnail, you know what it is. So if you are interested in finding out more about this yummy number, stay tuned. So sis is prepared. Here's our box. Have to be careful. Let's see here. So many yummy items have been added to the fall winter Marc Jacobs collection. I talk a lot about that in the collection video. It will definitely be posted before the end of this year. I have so many videos, y'all, that are either scheduled to be released or in the editing bay or in queue for me to upload. I have plenty of content. So y'all will see this video before the end of the year. But our box is open. How about I not show my address? So our box is open. Let me see how I can do this because, oh, I think this is the first time I've received this type of box from Marc, y'all. Gorgeous. We have our receipt here. And this came directly from the Marc Jacobs website. Actually, this is the return label. Let's keep this handy. Okay, y'all. Here we have her. So she is packaged to perfection. So what I'm going to do, let's see here. All right. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. And her name will be on the screen. Okay. And I will say this is the one color bag I don't have in my collection. So let's give her a quick unveiling, shall we? Oh, she's fancy, darling. She's fancy. Okay. So let me, oh, okay. Okay. So she's, let me see. There we have it. She has a nice little back pocket. So let me do some more unwrapping to keep this video from being super long, and then I'll check back in with y'all. Sorry, y'all, my phone rang. Yes, it has the main compartment, and then it has the front compartment. They are both lined with like the microfiber lining. Spacious. And then it also has this back pocket, which reminds me of the Coach Pillow Madison, the shoulder bag, how it also has that back compartment with the magnetic closure. This has that as well. And like I said, it has the visible stitching with the diamond design. And so there you have that. Let's get into this chain. Sorry y'all for the noise in the background. Nothing I can do about that. But yes, okay, so similar to the Quilted Diamond Puffy J shoulder bag, this bag also has the chain, the detachable chain, where you push down this little clasp right here and remove the silver chain. Now, honestly, I prefer the chain strap over the leather strap. I actually enjoyed carrying the other bags as shoulder bags, which is new for me. I enjoy carrying them more as shoulder bags with the chain than as a crossbody. And this is the crossbody strap here, and it has the dog leash clip that you could also add. Like, I've done it before where I've carried it with both, where I've carried it crossbody and the chain is also hanging. And I've also done it where I've carried it with the chain on my shoulder and I left the crossbody strap on there. But I'm just not, I don't know, y'all. I'm just not a fan of these thin straps. I need substantial straps. I am a plus size girl. I need the strap to be at least this thick, okay, for me to enjoy the crossbody experience. And I kind of talk about that a little bit more in the collection, a little bit. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, y'all. So yeah, so I talk about that. If you're watching just this video, I'm going to refer you to the collection video. And if you are currently watching the collection video, I'm going to refer you to this video that's going to become a standalone video for this bag. Okay, it's called multitasking. But yeah, so let's do several things here. Let's do a quick comparison to the Quilted Diamond Puffy J shoulder bag in the color wolf gray. Y'all could not tell me that these were not the same bag when I added it to cart, and then I was just like, something was just like, look again, girl, look at the difference. So this is just the soft leather experience, textured leather. It's not quite pebbled, but it is textured. And then you have this, which is the same quality leather. It just has a different design. They both have the J closure in the front, the double J closure. They both have the chain straps. But it's just interesting to see let's see here. So this one appears to have a more matte finished. Just come on, motorcycle man. Park your bike and go in the house. So this hardware has more of a matte finish. It's reading honestly a little bit more nickel. This is giving silver hardware, and then as you can see, this has the back slip pocket. This does not. Actually, yes, they're actually very different. Oh my goodness, fam. Either leave or go in the house. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so as you can see, there's a difference. They're not the same. As far as design, conceptually, they have similarities, but they are not the same bag. In the event you are interested and you are extra like me and you love to treat yourself and you want them both, and they both have the thin leftover leather from making the bags. It's like as soon as I hit record, the motorcycle man comes back. Okay, so between fighting with this camera and fighting with the outside noise, let's move on to the next comparison, shall we? So the name of this color is Cotton. However, when placed up against the white cardboard, it looks more of a chalky color. Let's look at the comparison between this bag. Okay, so this is my Quilted Just Crossbody Coach in the color chalk, and here we have our Quilted J Marc shoulder bag in the color Cotton. Let's do this. So this one has the silver hardware, this one has the light gold hardware, and let's just do this. And so there is a slight difference on camera. There is a slight difference. This one reads more of a chalky, creamy ivory color. It does look more white when compared, placed up against this bag. Do I need them both? Again, this one has silver hardware. This one has the gold hardware. Size comparison, there is no comparison. The Just Crossbody is a more substantially sized bag, but they both give the quilty, squishy, puffy that has taken over my bag collection for the past few years. So yesterday I was on IG, and whether or not it was y'all know how I feel about replica, but whether or not it was a replica bag, I screenshotted the photo, so I'll try to put it in the video. But they served me this photo of this higher end luxury item. Like I said, it may or may not be a replica. I don't know. I don't own any of this brand's items, so I don't know whether or not this is real or not. But it reminded me of this item, and it reminded me that I needed to make the video for this item. Let's continue. Last portion, we have to figure out what fits in here. This was the carry of the day. I promise it would have made more sense if y'all saw the sweater that I had on before I made this video. So this is the carry of the day. Let's see what fits in here, shall we? Let's see here. I have all types of stuff in here right now. This is what's inside. We have some tissues, lotion, our card holder, gum. We have some lippies and a compact mirror and the zipper compartment and a couple receipts. Let's see how much fits in here. Please hold. So we have made a successful transfer over. This is pretty much everything except the pen. The pen is still in here. A successful transfer. Everything fits. It gives me the opportunity to put my phone here or here if I don't want to keep opening up the bag. But I just realized that like you have to be careful with like phone screens and magnets. So because this is a magnetic slot, I probably will carry my phone in this compartment here. Let's see. Does it close with the bare essentials? And it does. And how about, let me stop playing. I think she's going to be a keeper. So we can take off more of the wrapping. Let's see here. Take off this strap really quickly. All right, get that out of the way. Yeah, so she's a cutie pie. She's a cutie pie. And like I said, y'all know I love silver hardware. Apparently so does Marc. Now, what I did say in her video was I might try to find a shorter silver chain. Marc Jacobs also has a thinner silver chain, but I don't need that because I have the one I got from Amazon. What I did say I want to try with these bags, because watch the collection video or rewind back a couple chapters to the section where I talk about these bags. But what I did say I want to try was getting a Marc Jacobs strap, the signature print strap, but also this came to mind. Please hold. So I was like, girl, why would you invest $95 in a signature print Marc Jacobs strap when your totes come with a webbing strap? And I was just like, let's see how we feel about this. Would you do it? Technically, it works, because if you know about the snapshot bag, you know that there is a snapshot bag that is either this color, the cotton color, or like an off-white creamy color. But the strap for that bag, it does say Marc Jacobs on it, but it basically looks just like this. So in the event I decided to edge her up a little bit, I feel like this could work. If I wanted to add a more substantial strap to this bag and not use the leather strap that comes along with it and still have the chain strap attached, I feel like this could work, because again, Marc loves silver hardware, so it matches perfectly. And you see it has a little white. She's such a beauty, y'all. She's such a beauty. She's very cute. She's very classy. Listen, anytime a bag comes with a chain and doesn't make you have to purchase additional accessories, I'm always here for it. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you add this quilted J. Marc shoulder bag to your bag collection? Do you already own her? It came in so many other colors, y'all. So many other colors. It was difficult to contain myself. I will say I do have my eye on one other color, but listen, swiper, no more swiping. I'm good for the rest of the year. In the event I add the other color to my collection, it'll be a 2024 purchase. It has been added to my wish list, so it will be a 2024 purchase at this time. She is good. That concludes today's video. If you have enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. And if you know another bag loving girly who would enjoy this video or any of the other content on my channel, don't be stingy. Don't be a gatekeeper. Share this video with her so she too can click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so she can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion as well. Again, my name is Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connects, and you have a great week.